From GPS frustration to esports athlete. Auntie Pamela Shields, known to everyone in Columbus, Ohio as Ms. Doolittle, was the picture of elegance. Her signature glasses, rimmed with tiny crystals that sparkled like diamonds, caught the morning sun as she adjusted her rearview mirror. Today was a big day. She was driving to an essential meeting for the Urban Aging Residents Coalition, UARC, ready to speak up for the seniors in her community. As she navigated the busy streets of Columbus, her phone suddenly let out a static hiss. Recalculating. The GPS droned before the screen flickered and went completely dark. Auntie Pamela frowned, realizing she had no idea which exit to take for the UARC meeting. The technology she relied on had failed her, leaving her feeling stranded in a sea of traffic. Frustrated but not defeated, Auntie Pamela pulled over and called her sister cousin, TJ. TJ was incredibly stylish and the most tech-savvy person in the entire family. "Don't you worry, Auntie," TJ said over the phone, her voice brimming with confidence. "I'll get you where you need to go, but after your meeting, we need to talk about my new project." TJ understood technology better than anyone because she had used it to change lives. For 15 years, she had been the primary caregiver for her late mother. TJ had spent over a decade ensuring her mother stayed connected to the world, teaching her how to use Zoom video calls so she could see her grandchildren's faces and chat with friends every single day. Technology wasn't just about calls. TJ had installed smart room sensors to ensure her mother's safety while maintaining her independence. She also prioritized her mother's nutrition and mental health, using apps to track meals and mindfulness. This journey inspired TJ to create the Seniors Tech Conference to prove that gadgets were actually lifelines for every generation. At the bustling Seniors Tech Conference, TJ introduced Auntie Pamela to Dr. Melita Moore, a brilliant scientist who created the Esports program in Columbus. Dr. Moore explained that her leadership uses scientific assessments to show how gaming improves hand-eye coordination and cognitive health. With support from FCOA Director Wingo, the program proved that gaming can help keep the brain healthy and sharp. Auntie Pamela was ready to see the science in action. Dr. Melita Moore handed her a sleek controller and helped her put on a pair of bright orange over-ear headphones. "Let's play Rocket League," the doctor encouraged. As the neon soccer cars zoomed across the screen, Auntie's crystal-rimmed glasses caught the light. She wasn't just playing, she was sharpening her mind and her reflexes. Training became Ms. DeWickle's favorite part of the week. Every Tuesday, Auntie Pamela headed to the local gaming arena to practice with her fellow seniors from the Urban Aging Residents Coalition. She practiced alongside her friend Silas, focusing on their team communication and fast-paced strategy. Together, they learned that becoming an athlete didn't have an age limit. The practice paid off, and soon Auntie Pamela was training for a major international competition in Los Angeles. The lights of the arena were blinding, but she stood tall at her station, her orange headphones glowing under the spotlights. TJ was in the front row, waving a handmade sign and cheering as Auntie Pamela executed a perfect ceiling shot, sending the ball into the goal. After the match, the two women shared a joyful hug on center stage as confetti rained down. Auntie Pamela had shown the world that it is never too late to learn something new and reach for the stars. "Thank you, sister cousin TJ," she laughed, her crystal glasses shining. "I used to be afraid of a broken GPS, but now I know I can fly."